You might have seen Beforeflix in ads promising early access to movies and shows before they're officially released. Something too good to be true to pass up for film lovers. But the real question is Beforeflix legit and safe to use, or is it a scam? Let's find out. So according to the site itself, Beforeflix lets you watch movies and TV shows before anyone else, along with behind-the-scenes content and exclusive access, all supposedly unlocked after a quick verification step. Sounds exciting, but there's a big catch. Independent scam checking tools and security reviews give Beforeflix very low trust scores, as low as 15 to 17 out of 100, and label the site high risk or suspicious. Here are the main issues experts and threat detectors found. It's a brand new domain with no established history, only registered in late 2025. That's often a red flag for short-lived scam sites. It's not affiliated with any legitimate streaming service like Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime. Security tools have flagged it for phishing or malicious behavior, and some lists even mark it as blacklisted by malware detectors. All of this strongly suggests this site isn't safe or legitimate. Instead of simply showing movies, Beforeflix seems designed to push visitors into verification funnels, which leads to endless offers and surveys that don't deliver what's promised, requests for personal information, and partner pages that may ask for trial signups with payment details, which can lead to unwanted charges. A cycle where users complete tasks but never get the supposed benefit. This funnel pattern is common in scam sites that monetize through affiliate orders, not through a legitimate streaming platform. Here's what can happen if you interact with Beforeflix. Your personal information may be collected and sold to marketing networks. You might get spam emails, calls, or ads afterwards. Completing verification tasks may enroll you in paid trial offers you didn't intend, and there's no evidence you'll get any real early streaming content in return. Plus, because the site isn't linked to a real content provider, it could put you at legal risk if it's hosting or linking to unauthorized content. So is Beforeflix safe to use? No, it's not. With extremely low trust scores, clear scam-type behavior, and no legit backing, Beforeflix is best avoided entirely. The bottom line, if you want early access to movies or shows, stick with official streaming platforms and licensed early screening programs. Anything promising exclusive access for completing surveys or downloads is almost certainly a scam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.